In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email template in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and should only take you a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, to get started, head over to QuickBooks Online and sign in with your credentials. If you're not yet logged in, look for the sign in option on the web page and click on it. This will direct you to a login page where you'll need to enter your username and password. Once you've typed those in, click continue. If you haven't accessed QuickBooks Online before, make sure you have your login information readily available to avoid any delays. Now that you're signed in, you should be on the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. From this page, locate the settings gear icon. It's typically at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu. Select the option labeled Account and Settings. This section is where you'll manage various settings of your QuickBooks account, so you might want to bookmark this for future reference. With Account and Settings opened, you'll see several tabs on the left side of your screen. Look for the one marked Sales and click on it. Within the Sales section, you'll find different settings related to sales transactions. After you've selected Sales, your attention should now be focused on finding and clicking the Messages tab. This is a crucial step as it's where we'll make the necessary changes to your email templates. Once in the Messages section, you'll have the ability to change the default email templates that QuickBooks uses when sending out invoices and other sales documents. Now it's time to customize your email message. Here you can edit the standard email message and tailor it to fit your specific communication style or business needs. Many businesses prefer to add a personal touch, so feel free to modify the content to reflect your brand's voice. You can also update the email subject line to catch your recipient's attention or convey a particular message up front. After you've made your edits to both the email message and the subject line, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the screen and click it to ensure that all your newly customized templates are stored correctly. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your email templates in QuickBooks Online. Tailoring these messages can enhance your business communications and reflect the professionalism and uniqueness of your company. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need more help with QuickBooks, be sure to check out our other tutorials.